Nova Scotia courts are standing by a directive allowing judges to bar court staff from wearing poppies, a move they say is about protecting impartiality. But the move has angered many, including retired Canadian Armed Forces veteran Major Ken Hines.
Poppy is a symbol of remembrance, and that's all it is. Yeah. It's got nothing to do with anything else, and absolutely nothing to do with politics.
Hines is frustrated by what he calls repeated attempts to politicize the symbol of remembrance.
The revisionism that exists today in terms of what things mean is absolute nonsense.
The Nova Scotia judiciary issued a statement Sunday from the province's chief judge and the chief justice of the Supreme Court defending the directive, saying judges have a duty to ensure courtrooms remain neutral, and that may include asking staff not to wear symbols like poppies. It is fundamentally important that when an individual walks into a courtroom that they see and feel that they are in a totally unbiased and neutral space. The judge's statement included a scenario where a non-veteran is accused of assaulting a veteran, where the trial was set to begin in early November, arguing it would appear biased if all court staff wore poppies. Legal scholar Wayne McKay says that scenario is highly unlikely given the short window of the poppy campaign. He understands the public outrage and doesn't see a problem wearing a poppy, except in the extreme case.
Perhaps you could ask that a poppy not be worn if they can kind of demonstrate that it shows a lack of neutrality, the veteran versus non-veteran setting. But other than that, that poppy should not be put in the same category as other kinds of political symbols and statements.
As per the directive, it's up to the presiding judge to determine if a poppy should be worn or not, meaning poppy policies could vary depending on which courtroom you enter.
That's another danger of sorts here, is that it gives scope for the judges to make their own calls.
The debate has struck a chord. Even Premier Tim Houston issued a fiery response on Facebook, saying he would introduce legislation protecting workers' rights to wear a poppy if needed. Jesse Thomas, CTV News, Halifax.